So the Milo kit is free today, and I thought this would be a perfect idea to go and use this. So I can just go, and just by pressing R, go out of it. Yeah, I think we all know how it works. But today, I'm gonna be becoming a lucky block to troll my teammates. So I'm gonna see if it's gonna work on these little fiends, and if it doesn't, then I'll take a bath. Alright, I got an unstable portal, so this isn't that good. I mean, it's kinda good, I guess. I don't know. Now, we got a bunch of noobs other than pink team, so let me just deal with them real quick. Oh, no, you wanted to go after me? You wanted to go after me? Oh, okay. I am so lucky I had that. Dude, jackpot, jackpot. Dude, this is crazy. He tried mining me. Oh, I tried to transform it. I just got apples. What am I gonna do with the apple? Eat it? I'm a Bedwars player. I don't know how to eat healthy. I don't know if this is gonna work. I doubt it. Then they might not be noobs, so that's like an issue. What are you doing, Pink? Pink! Pretty much all they see is just a little block. There's a cyber drone flying around. I'm not gonna deal with him. I'm just a lucky block. No! Stop it! You little fart! I'm out of here! Get out of here, dude! I don't want you! Yeah, scram me, little rat. Oh. I'm out. I'm making my grand escape. I am a grass block. I am moss. I am not real. I am moss. Dude, someone already has iron armor. I'm out. Or I need some armor, because, like, I'm kind of just naked right now. And typically, being naked is slightly illegal in this country of Bedtopia. It is pretty illegal. As I've heard it is illegal. I've trolled pink and I think blue already, so maybe yellow. Teammate, what was that? I was able to stop myself. I was just looking at the stupid leaderboard. Or who could I troll? Because, like, everyone's doing, like, nothing. Or I have a plan. I'm probably just gonna, like, go chill with them. How could I sneak into their base without them realizing? Maybe a dodo. Wait a minute, can you transform with dodos? I'm not even gonna question how a dodo spawned on this map, because I'm not seeing no deserts. Oh, okay, that's great. I can be a dodo and a lucky block. Look, it's just a lucky block. Come get the lucky block. It's a lucky block. It's the moving lucky block. You have to chase it. Okay, come on, guys. Get away! I'm out. Get that thing away from me. Comboed. Get out of here, dude. And that's it. Can I have some lucky blocks? Hey, yeah! I don't want no trouble, man. I'm just gonna hide here. She knows. She so knows I'm here. I'm just gonna steal everything from them. Alright, they're gone. I'm actually gonna... I am the generator, my people. I am nothing but a measly generator. Where did you not see me? It took him that long. Get out of here! No! Chill! I didn't do nothing wrong! I don't want to hurt nobody. I'm chilling. I'm out. Okay. Where am I? Okay, I just want to leave. In peace. I'm out. I'm not dealing with this no more. What is this match? How's my base doing? I haven't been here in a while. I want to see what you guys have done. So far, I've seen literally nothing has changed except the generator. So I can't say it's really a good change, but like, you guys didn't buy anything else. You guys have 6 diamonds. You guys didn't even buy a bed alarm? Whatever. Alright, I have a crow and a gloop. So let's see if I can troll anybody with these. Alright, let me become a lucky block. Dude, there's so many up here. Most people play in first person, so he's probably not gonna see me. Hi, man, I'm just a block! No trouble, man! Wait, can I come into this? No, I can't! That would have been so cool. Ow, you fart. What is your problem? Alright, I got like a Santa sage, like... Out of all items, I got 2 robbery bells. Wait. Oh my god! He doesn't have a sword anymore! Oh my god! Chill! I don't want no trouble! I just found the sword! Okay, I'm out, I'm gone. Chill. Oh my god! I stole it! Oh, what is the luck? I even have a frost crystal. I get frost crystals. Or, well, it's game over. It's literally game over. Alright, I'm gonna go kill people, because I can. You little fart? What is your problem? What is yours? What is your real problem? You fart? I can't swing. I'm out. Guys, I am just a block. I am the moving lucky block item. Moving lucky block. I am the moving lucky block. I am the running lucky block item. Guys, I'm the running lucky block. Oh my god! Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Oh my god. No! I'm out. I'm not dying. I'm not dying. Get me out of here! Stop, you farts! Stop shooting me. Everyone is like, bro, stop. Why does everyone have this? It does like 1,000,000 damage. Why do I have so many emeralds? Stop running, man. Stop running.